unbelievable fighter jets just flew over this area. I mean, right in front of me. Again, the reason that I'm standing right here on Roosevelt Lake on this pull-off off of the 188, about a quarter of a mile from the Roosevelt Bridge and just right by the Roosevelt Dam and the Apache Trail, a very historical marker sits here that I guarantee people pass all the time, and I want to bring attention to it today. So the next time you're out here driving down here around the Apache Trail over the bridge, or down here boating on the Roosevelt, on the beautiful Roosevelt Lake here, you'll come up here and check this historical site out. Let me show you. Woo! Now that was nice, a nice jet flyover. They must have known the Arizona Timeless Tourist is down here on Roosevelt Lake. Woo! Cars are just flying down this road on the 188. Right up the road, a quarter of a mile, is the 88, the Apache Trail. Once you come over the bridge, there's a pull-off. You want to skip that pull-off, and you want to come to the very next pull-off right here. Most people are just speeding past here, heading up to Payson, Arizona. But what I'm here to look at is right here on the corner. And I guarantee most people miss this all the time. Recently, I did a video on Al Sieber. I went to the Globe Cemetery, which is roughly 25 miles from this spot. Al Sieber was one of the greatest scouts the United States had ever seen. He was born in Germany, just quick. He was born in Germany, 1850. His family moved to America. They settled in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Then they moved to Minnesota. Then, at the age of 18, he joins the Civil War. He fights in 3 major battles in the Civil War. Battle of Antietam, the Battle of Chancellorsville, and the Battle of Gettysburg. During the Battle of Gettysburg, on the 2nd of July of 1863, he is wounded. He is seriously wounded, and he is taken off to rest for 5 months. Oh yeah, he signed up in the 1st Minnesota Infantry during the Civil War. I forgot to tell you that. What happens right here on this spot on February 19th, 1907, Al Sieber is with a bunch of Apaches, and they were clearing out a road right here to make it over to the Roosevelt Dam. They're starting to build the Roosevelt Dam, but they need to make a road. And they're starting on this side of the dam. And Al Sieber goes to investigate. There's this huge boulder right here in 1907. There's a huge boulder right here, and he goes to investigate it. And as he's looking at this boulder, the boulder loosens and falls right on top of Al Sieber and kills him on this spot. The man who survived the Battle of Gettysburg, who was wounded terribly and spent 5 months healing in the hospital, who came out, became one of the greatest scouts the United States has ever seen, was in the Apache Wars, was at the Battle of Dry Wash. Check out the Battle of Dry Wash if you don't know about it. He fought the Apaches all over the place. He comes here in 1907 to help build a road to the going to be the Roosevelt Dam. A boulder crushes Al Sieber, and his life is over, and he is now buried just up the road in the Globe Cemetery. All right, let's get a little closer to this monument. Sun is blinding here. Al Sieber, veteran of the Civil War, in 20 years a leader of scouts for the U.S. Army in Arizona, is Indian trouble, was killed on this spot February 9th, 1907 by a rolling rock during the construction of the Tonto Road. His body is buried in the cemetery at Globe. All right, before I leave this beautiful area in the Al Sieber Monument, I just want to thank everybody for following the Arizona Timeless Tourist across all of my social media outlets. Again, I am on TikTok. Go there, check it out. And I just started my first podcast, and you can find me on Anchor and Spotify at the Arizona Timeless Tourist. Go check it out, subscribe, leave me a message, tell me you were there. I look forward to bringing you, I'm looking forward to bringing you over 100 podcasts.